and today I am going to unbox something that my mum ordered for me from Amazon. And I thought I'll show it to you what it is. I've taken out the postcode and things so you wouldn't see that. So I'm just going to open it now. I just move it down a little bit. I see it, and it smells funny. It's a, let me just cover it up there. It's a My Little Pony Dr.Whooves figure. Go away. And I love Doctor Who, and I also like My Little Pony, so this is why Mum got me this. Mum got it for me for a prize or something, and I really like it because it's based off Muffin. Because everyone knows I loves him. Doesn't say anything. There we go at the bottom. This was actually made by Hasbro, which was a really cool thing. It was made in China. So if you want to get one of these, go on Amazon.com, .co.uk or .com, whatever you do, and type in My Little Pony visual that. And then probably for Christmas I can get a Fluttershy one, because I like Fluttershy as well. So yeah, sorry about that. The camera shut down because the batteries were almost dead. So yeah, here's what it looks like. He looks very sad for some reason, even though on the box it says he's angry. And he's only got one on this side, when it's supposed to be on the other side as well. He's got a green tie, even though he's meant to have a blue tie, a brown tie. He's meant to have brown eyes, and his hair's too much to the left. Wait, no, I think he is right-handed, so that's right. Just the eyes and the tie that they got wrong. But everything else is fine. So yeah, this is the review on the Dr. Whooves action figure thingy. He's now a pony. For some reason. I wonder if he knows about this. Him being a pony. But they haven't strangely haven't made anyone for the 11th or the 12th Doctor yet. They'll probably give it some time. This new series, season 4. It looks like a really cool pony. I don't know where to put him. Probably put him up there on the top shelf with all my stuff. Well, see you later.